Oh shit. Here we go again.
Hey people, Kiara here from My Digital Affiliate. Today we're going to continue on promoting the $25 online business using My Lead Gen Secrets. Day 5, I believe. Alright, so as you can see, we're going to look at the results here. Looks like nothing happened, but let's refresh it so I can just show you guys and make sure nothing ain't happening here. Okay, no sale today either. Alright, so not a big deal. We're going to keep on going, because that's just how it is. Remember to get your link from right here. This is your link. This is the link you use to promote this system. The reason I promote the $25 all-in-one business is that it's just the best promotion. You get paid the most from it. 80% commissions. That's like OnlyFans money. And it's $25. You get 20 of those dollars. That's pretty insane in my opinion. And it's monthly. It's also monthly. It's not just one sale, it's monthly. So that's pretty good. And I think it's just amazing. So let's continue on. Alright, so we're gonna go here. Click on. So we log into My Lead Gen Secrets. We click on mailing system. I'm gonna make sure I explain this. Click on the mailing system. Once you're in it, you know how to do this. You already seen any other videos of mine, or you started from the beginning, or you bought the system. You already know what to do. I'm just showing you how to what type of emails to send or whatever. So we're gonna go with a different email today. I want to go with instant 20 and 100 monthly commissions each sale, which is very true because I make this money as well. So that's a really good email. Here. Okay, we can read this here. Why the monthly commission so high? Get started, build your income. All right. So it's a really short email. You can go with really short emails as well. In fact, shorter emails tend to do better than a long-winded email sometimes, which is very good. Sometimes people don't want to read all that. They just want to kind of get to what you're talking about. They want to see what you're talking about. I know, think about how you read emails. That's how it works. Me personally, I kind of see I see that, oh, there's an opportunity. I want to see what that opportunity is right away. So I barely read the email. I just click on the link. That's just me. So the faster I can see the link, the better. That's how it works for me personally. But some people want more, but shorter emails tend to do better in my opinion. I don't know that for sure, but that's why a lot of my emails are pretty short in general, because they tend to do a lot better. But okay, anyway, make sure you hit on perfect timing. We're gonna send an email here. I'm pretty sure y'all see the whole email here. That's pretty much the whole email, so we're gonna send it like that. Okay, we sent the email, guys. Pretty simple and easy to do. Like I stated before, man, this is a very simple process, very easy process to understand. And it's just common sense here. Now for the link for you guys, you're gonna use all-in-one business sales letter. This one right here is the email the link you're gonna use for your emails. Personally, I have a domain name, so I made mine a little cleaner looking, but that's the one you're gonna use. That's the referral you're gonna use. All right, so that's all there is to it. Make sure to like, comment, subscribe. Make sure to hit that notification bell. Now I'll see you guys. Peace.